Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a tremendous program started by Wipro, that is the WILP program or the Work Integrated Learning Program. Before we begin with our video, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for further updates regarding this program.
Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's
The Work Integrated Learning Program is for BSc and BCA graduates, which enables them to get a job in top MNC like Wipro. Along with that, this program also helps them to pursue their MTech from a premier educational institute in India sponsored by Wipro, that is BITS Pilani. Yes, guys, you all get to work with Wipro. Along with that, you can able to pursue your MTech degree from Premier Educational Institute BITS Pilani free of cost. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. For education, you have to be 10th pass, 12th pass, and graduation you must have minimum 60% of mark. Your year of passing must be 2021. Your qualification must be Bachelor's of Computer Application, that is BCA, or Bachelor of Science with eligible streams are Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics, and Physics. Yes, these are the basic streams which are eligible to participate in this program. Other mandatory criteria are that you must have mathematics as a core subject in graduation. Other detailed information are also available in the website. You can read it. I have provided the link of this website directly in my description box. Go from there and you can easily avail all this information. Detailed stipend details. Yes, you would be getting stipend, monthly stipend, but it is called stipend because you are a scholar trainee. You don't have a job over here because you are now studying and learning. Since you are learning, so it is scholar trainee. The first year stipend is 15,000 rupees. Second year the stipend is about 17,000 rupees. In the third year you will get 19,000 rupees as stipend, and in the fourth year you will get 23,000 as your stipend. Then after that, you will, according to your qualification, you will get a package from Wipro. That package would be considered. Then there is a service agreement. On joining, candidate would be required to sign a service agreement of 60 months. Yes, you have to sign a service agreement of 60 months in order to join the organization. Next is the selection process. Selection process is every candidate must go through online assessment, that has a detailed information. You will also be provided with the detailed information regarding the online assessment in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. I am going to give so many tips and tricks. So online assessment is for 80 minutes. The aptitude test is for 60 minutes, and it has verbal, analytical, and quantitative questions. Each section has 20 minutes and 20 questions each. So in the verbal, that is the English, and analytical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude, that means the basic math questions. So these are each section is of 20 marks and 20 minutes. Written communication test. The second part of this online assessment is written communication test, where you have to qualify a written communication. You have to write on a topic for 20 minutes. Upon selection in this assessment, you will be required to go through technical interview followed by HR. So you will have to give two interviews, that is technical interview, then you will be facing the HR. If you have already participated in Wipro in last 3 months, then you are not eligible. The last date for applying it online is 15 July. So before that you must apply. In order to apply, you will have to click on apply now link, and it will take you to a new window where you will be getting your how to apply, all the detailed information. So in that link there is, so as you can see here, the detail of the WILP program has been given. As I have already mentioned all the details, you can also read the job description, qualification and everything, every detail you need. Then you can easily click on the apply link given over there and you can apply for the job. So this is the basic qualification and other criteria are also written, the stipend details and everything is written. You can easily read it. After click, you can easily click on the apply link, which will make you proceed to the portal where you will have to enter your mail ID first, so that after entering the mail ID you will then go to a new page where you will be able to fill all the necessary details required for your joining. So these are the basic information required. After entering your mail ID over here, you can easily click on next and proceed with your next upcoming details to fill up in the given form, in the given format. Okay, so now let's go to the details about Wipro program offered to BCA and BSc students to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher degree from a premier educational institute, BITS Pilani, sponsored by Wipro. That means it is completely free of cost. As I already told, it has been divided into two categories. The WILP program is of two categories, that is WAYS and WIMS. That means it is a part of WILP program started by BITS Pilani. That means the candidates who are selected are divided into two categories, that is WAYS candidates and WIMS candidates. They both are quite same. Only difference is that in WIMS you are able to work with Wipro technology. Under Wipro technology, system engineering and low level architecture, software development, networking. If you are someone who is interested in networking, you must opt for this WIMS program. Otherwise, the second program is WAYS, which will enable you to work with Wipro Infotech, software engineering and programming. If you are someone coding is your passion, if you have so much interest in coding, then you must go for WAYS program. So these are the basic two programs which come under the same WILP program started by Wipro. So let us now discuss, is it worth joining Wipro? What are the pros? First is you will get a master's degree with work experience. So this is the basic thing that you are going to get, that is you are going to get a master's degree along with 4 years of work experience from Wipro. The curriculum is very good. That means you are given proper time for your management of your course, that is MTech, and work experience. The work would Monday to Friday for the first 5 days of the week, and other 2 days, that is Saturday Sunday, is off. But for you, in order to complete your MTech degree, you will have to only study for Saturday. You will have classes on Saturday and Sunday respectively according to each state. And to opt out of the course, if you want, you can also leave the course in between, but you have to pay a compensatory amount, then higher salary and band after degree if you complete the degree, if you stick to the job and complete your degree, and then you have a 4 years of work experience according to on-site opportunities. Some candidates also get the on-site opportunity. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.